Okay, today we're going to create a BAT file, which BAT stands for batch file. We're going to call this one permissions.bat. So using Nano, we're going to create this file. And the first thing to do is going to call the bin bash shell. Then change mode 711 star.bat. What that's saying is change the permissions of any file that ends in .bat to be 711. 7 stands for read, write, and execute, because remember, read equals 4, write equals 2, and execute equals 1. So all three of them add up to 7, which means the 1 in 1 is just execute for the group and the world. Change mode 644 on star.txt. So all the text files are going to have read, write access to the owner and read only access to everybody else, the group and the world. So I can save that file. And so what you'll notice here is first I did a list of everything, and I see all the permissions. Mostly they don't have much permission at all. And then when I change mode +x permissions.bat, you'll see it changes permission.bat's color to be green, and it now has executable on that. In that case, it's for everybody. Now when I actually run this file, you'll notice it automatically changed the bat ones to be 711, that is read, write, execute for the owner and execute only for group and for world. And you'll see that the txt file now has read, write permissions for the owner and read only for the group and the world. Now let's go to permissions.dir.bat and write a new program here. We've got the bin bash shell directory equals /, that's the current directory. Now I'm going to put num equals $, £. That is getting me the number of parameters on the command line. So if the number is greater than 0, then what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to make dir equal to whatever the first parameter is. So as long as you got more than 0 parameters, we know you got 1 parameter, and we're going to take that and make that dir. At that point, I'm going to take and change mode 711 on $dir/star.bat. So I'm going to be changing all the bat files in that directory to be 711. And I'll change all the txt files to be 644. So now, if you take a look at it, I can list a directory called other, and everything's got read permission only. And then I run permission.dir.bat with 1 parameter other, and I see nothing happens or no response back. But when I go and list it, what happens is the txt files are now 644 and the bat files are now 711.